Hi, I'm Jalinda and I'm Head Facilitator of the Women Leading in Local Government program. I want to tell you a little bit more about the content and what to expect. We've based the content around the proven leadership trust formula, the 5C formula of character plus capability plus courage plus commitment plus connection. And we've developed our 7 modules around that. So there's a module each month. And there are 2 really interactive workshops that brings that all together so we can play with that and have some activities around that. Those workshops are developed at this stage to be online, but there is a chance that we might be able to meet face to face in a couple of locations around Queensland, depending on where the participants are located. On top of that, there's printable material, and the printable material is important because we have quite a few self-reflective exercises. So with that, you are provided a folder that you can put that in, and then you can kind of do that anywhere away from the computer, which is really good. We also have, for your personal development, your own social and emotional intelligence online profile assessment that you will do, and 3 one-on-one confidential coaching sessions with accredited leadership coaches. So that brings it all home to be exactly what you need to get out of this program. Within the content online, there are webinars, there are panels of experts, there are interviews with experienced local government councillors sharing their learnings along the way. So you can expect to spend about 4 hours a month minimum, up to 8, maybe 10 hours a month, depending on how interactive and how involved you want to be with doing all of the self-reflections, some action planning and sharing that online. And of course, what we're wanting to do is encourage as much interactiveness as possible so that you are building great peer relationships to support each other on this journey. So we think we've got the balance right on this, with the value of content, how easy it is to access, and that interactiveness, and at whatever level you want that to be at for you. So pop onto the website, check out the content further, and come on the journey with us. We would love to support you on that.